Mechanic Rob's here. Just, it's been a while. Been doing a lot of mechanicking. But I just wanted to cover something real quick with you guys. Let's check this out right here. Alright, so when you got no crank, no start, nothing, you know, you check around. You check around the engine, okay, it looks real good. Problem is right over here, look, we didn't even hook up the battery. Nothing on these babies, you just threw the battery in. So you gotta watch out sometimes. Sometimes, you know, people install a battery but never hook up their leads or anything, so there's your problem. Mechanic Rob's.